Hello guys, thinking of trying Monzo as your next banking app? Here's an in-app walkthrough that will have you set up and spending in under 10 minutes. So first step is checking eligibility and gathering documents. You must be at least 16 plus or 16 to 17 for teen accounts and a UK resident with right to reside. Keep these documents ready: valid photo ID, passport, driving license, etc. UK address info, phone number, email, and selfie video for identity verification. Step 2 is downloading the Monzo app and entering your details. Find Monzo app in the App Store or Google Play Store, install it, open it, enter your name, address, email, and UK mobile number to create your account. Now, upload a photo of your passport or driving license, then take a short selfie video. Monzo uses this to verify your identity. This process usually completes in minutes. Now, Monzo also offers multiple plans. The free plan, that is basic current account with no monthly fee. Extra plan, that is at €3 per month, and it has virtual cards, credit insights, and advanced budgeting tools. Now, the perks plan is at €7 per month or max €17 per month. It includes travel insurance, higher interest savings, ATM freebies, and lifestyle perks like cinema tickets. Now, step 5 is activating your card and starting banking. So your MasterCard debit card arrives within a few days. Activate it in the app once it arrives. You will get instant push notifications on each transaction for real-time budgeting. Now, you can explore Monzo features. Pots that separates your savings automatically, spending categories and budgets through which you can track and categorize your transactions, fee-free spending abroad, and free UK bank transfers. You can also easily switch through CASS that moves your direct debits for you in 7 days. Now, new users often get a €10 or €15 bonus after their first card transaction via referral links. Now, Monzo is FCA regulated and deposits are protected by FSCS up to €85,000 per person. Security is a strong biometric login, instant card freeze, real-time payment alerts, and anti-fraud system. Final verdict: opening a Monzo bank account in 2025 is fast, secure, and hassle-free. It takes under 10 minutes. Fee vary with plan, but the basic one is free. Packed with user-friendly tools for budgeting, saving, travel, and no longer forms or branch visits. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.